Alright, we're going to take a quick first look at the Current Monitor Pro by Ditex.com. So it's hooked up in series. We have the positive and the negative. So how this would work is you're hooking this to your negative battery cable, and then you're hooking this to your negative at the battery. And I'll show this in later setups, but this is going to the negative on the power supply. Our feed is out here through the test light to here in series. So with the tool on, we're going to select the 100 milliamp setting, and we'll select the 200 milliamp setting. But today we're just going to go to the 100 milliamp setting, and I want to show you what happens when we hit that threshold. And it's actually a little sooner than the threshold. The beeper is going to go off. So we know we have a draw. Now we could just bump it up to the next setting. Now I know my draw is somewhere between 100 milliamps and 200 milliamps. But let's go back to the 100 milliamps. And if I hold it, let's go back there. Hold it for about a second and a half. Now it's going to go into chase lighting. So the monitor's off here, the beeper's off here, but the tool's still on. And what's cool about that is we can hook up our multimeter or oscilloscope or whatever monitoring device we want to hear, and it's going to output 1 millivolt for 1 milliamp. And you can see that here, it's 113 millivolts, 109 milliamps, but I don't know how accurate this is, so we're within a few milliamps anyway. So now we can go chase this down, and this is wireless multimeter, so I can just grab this and walk around the vehicle and do whatever I need to do. But now I know it's in chase mode, I'm going to go chase down the problem. And I don't have to listen to the buzzer, I can just shut it off. What's nice about this is I can set it up to monitor it if I suspect the vehicle's waking up, and set it up for 100 milliamps, 200 milliamps, whatever I want, and then walk away and do other work in the shop. And this is going to be monitoring the whole time, and if it goes over that, you're going to hear that beeper across the shop. And then you've got a nice convenient way to tap in without having to mess with your connections or disturb the vehicle to get a live readout. And this tool's cheap. It's under 150 bucks. So I think it's pretty good value for what it is. It does a good job. It's standalone, so you could literally just hook it up, walk away, and listen for the beeper while you're doing other work. And it's really, really accurate. It uses a shunt in there to do that, and like I said, you don't really even need a display or anything. But stay tuned, watch for more videos, because we're going to hook this up to a car and do some more testing. So thanks for watching.